On June 12, 1994, his ex-wife Nicole Brown Simpson and her friend Ronald Goldman were brutally stabbed to death outside her home in Los Angeles. Simpson became the prime suspect, and after being notified of impending charges on June 17th, he became involved in a low-speed pursuit by police as he hid in the back of a Ford Bronco driven by his friend A.C. Cowlings. The attempted escape was televised live nationally and was seen by an estimated 95 million viewers. It ended at Simpson's home, where he was arrested and charged with the two murders. He pleaded not guilty and subsequently hired a team of prominent lawyers who were led by Johnny Cochran to handle his defense. Simpson's trial began on January 24, 1995, and it received unprecedented media scrutiny. The proceedings were nationally televised and millions watched throughout the day. Prosecutors emphasized the domestic violence that had occurred prior to and after the Simpsons' 1992 divorce. The Simpson defense was based largely on the grounds that evidence had been mishandled or planted, and that members of the Los Angeles Police Department were racist. One of the prosecution's key pieces of evidence was a bloody glove allegedly found at Simpson's home. The defense argued that the glove seemed too small for Simpson's hand, leading Cochran to say, "If the glove don't fit, you must acquit." After more than 8 months of testimony, the case went to the jury on October 2, 1995. The following day, Simpson was acquitted of the murder charges. After the verdict, public opinion polls broke down along racial lines. Whites were largely dismayed by the jury's decision, whereas the majority of African Americans supported it. In a separate civil trial decision in 1997, Simpson was found liable for the deaths of his ex-wife and Goldman and was ordered to pay $33.5 million in damages to the families. Simpson later collaborated with Pablo F. Fenves on If I Did It, in which he hypothesized about how he would have committed the murders. Public outrage prevented its initial publication in 2006, but a bankruptcy court subsequently awarded the book's rights to the Goldman family, who released the work in 2007. Later in 2007, Simpson was arrested after he and several other men entered a Las Vegas hotel room and took memorabilia items that Simpson claimed had been stolen from him. The incident resulted in Simpson being charged with a number of crimes, including armed robbery and kidnapping. On October 3, 2008, a jury found him guilty of all charges. He was later sentenced to a minimum of 9 years in prison, with a possible maximum sentence of 33 years. Simpson was granted parole in 2017. In 2023, it was publicly revealed that Simpson had been diagnosed with cancer. He died the following year.